And raspberry cheesecake. Summer is nearly here, and I cannot think of something more perfect than a slice of this. White chocolate and raspberry cheesecake made with our traditional tarallini. Imagine yourself sitting in your garden with a slice of this. And your favorite book. Let's make it. Ingredients: 1 pack Belmorso Traditional Tarallini, 400 grams roasted almonds, 1 bar white chocolate for melting, extra white chocolate for decorating. Raspberry jam, 12 tablespoons milk plus 3 more for the white chocolate. 100 grains butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, mascarpone cheese, and 2 tablespoons icing sugar. Preparation: transfer the entire pack of tarallini and roasted almonds to a powerful blender or food processor. And blitz. Transfer to a large bowl, add the butter and use a fork to mix the butter with the dry mixture. Then pour your milk, a little at a time, and continue pressing with a fork until the mixture is well combined. Finally, add your vanilla essence and mix it with your fork. Put in the freezer for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes have passed, take it out and spread a layer of raspberry jam. Then freeze again for 30 minutes. In the meantime, mix your mascarpone with 2 tablespoons icing sugar and some vanilla essence. Take the white chocolate and raspberry cheesecake out, and top with your mascarpone filling. Freeze again. Leave in the freezer for 30 minutes, take out to layer the jam, and put it back in the freezer. Wait another 30 minutes, take it out and press the last layer of tarallini and almonds. Freeze preferably overnight, so you don't risk breaking it when you remove it from the silicone mold. The next day starts by melting the white chocolate. I have added 3 tablespoons of milk to the chocolate, as mine was too thick. Take the white chocolate and raspberry cheesecake out of the freezer. Remove it from the mold, place it on a serving plate, and top it with the melted chocolate, not too hot but still melted. Decorate your cheesecake, put it in the fridge for the chocolate to set. And you are ready. For decoration, you can do a ripple with some raspberry jam poured over the melted chocolate. And then top with some flaked white chocolate, or keep it simple with the chocolate flakes. And 1 or more tarallini plus a flower. You can also decorate with fresh raspberries over the white chocolate coating. If you are not going to cover the sides with white chocolate, you may want to freeze your cheesecake for longer after each layer, so the layers are more defined and prettier. Buon appetito!